Hi everybody, and welcome back to the Daily 3D Print. Today I'm going to show you how a section plane works in SketchUp. So here I've opened a house plan, a 3D model of a house. I'm going to make it into a group first. As you see, it's just the walls. So I put a rectangle over everything, right click, make group. And then I'm going to go over to the section tool, section plane. When you bring it in, it's going to try and find different surfaces. So if I hold it on this side, it's going to jump up and be locked on the red on the red axis. Here's locked on the green axis, or here on the blue. And you want to lock it really into the blue so it doesn't jump around. So take the up arrow on the keyboard, and now when I hold it on the surfaces, it doesn't jump around. So next thing, we're going to place it. I'm going to place it on the corner here. Then I can call it something if I want, but I'll just keep section plane as symbol number 1. That's the figure that's going to show up in these circles, number 1, number 2, or yeah, and so on. So I'm going to click OK, and then I can move it into place wherever I want it to be. Select it, take move, and I'm just going to move it down. And there you go. If I was to double click it, it turns it off and on. If you want to look at your whole model again and then double click, it goes back to the section. And if I want to look at it the other way, I can right click and click on reverse, and I can look at it from the bottom up if you wanted to do that. So right click again and reverse. And then there's one more thing you can do. Right click, you can create a group from the slice, and then if I take move and move this out here, now I get a 2D plan of the whole house as a group. So that's all I was going to show you today, section plane. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time for more tips and tricks in SketchUp.